Hey, welcome to the video. We are doing an install on my S14. It's the ISR braided clutch line, the short one, not the long one. And I think it just replaces the soft rubber line from the slave to right where the damper box is, something like that. But instead of just doing that, I am going to delete the damper box and just throw the braided line with the hard line. So master straight to slave. So you'll see in a second. All right, so welcome underneath the car. So the shorty line that I bought is just this one, but I was kind of hoping to delete the damper box, I believe it's called. So we're gonna have to figure out how to install the ISR line and then route this hard line straight over, bypassing the box. All right, so normally the line would come off here to this hard line, and then you would just install your new line, bam, bam, just like that. But I'm gonna try to figure out how to bend this and then hopefully route it this way and then back into the slave. Okay, so it's all hooked up, bam, bam. The line's twisted, no kinks. It's not pretty, but hopefully that'll do it. And just bleed it up, and that should be good. I still gotta take all this crap off because I just bypassed the whole thing. But yeah, that's it. All right, well, I hope that was helpful because there's like no video or like write up on how to do it. I mean, it's not even that hard. Anybody that has a 240 can figure it out themselves. But I mean, in case you wanted to know or see someone else do it, then you saw me do it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video later.